Hello, my friends. Ta-da! It's Miss Lacey. I'm not wearing a mask because I'm in my home. Would anyone like to say hi to Wayne? Yeah? 1 second. Hi, Wayne. Bye, Wayne. Today's story is a little story. It's called Baby Bird. Look at this. Oh, that's the baby. We've got a nest right here, and we've got a very worried looking little baby bird. I wonder what the story is about. On the back, it says, Baby bird wants to fly, but can't. Will he ever succeed? Oh gosh, let's find out. Baby Bird by Joyce Dunbar, illustrated by Russell Ato. Let's find out. Ooh, here's a drawing of some air, it looks like. They're using these lines there, I think, to show that the air is moving. All right. This is the bird that climbed out of the nest. And, oh, here's the bird. He says, peep. And he's got his little foot out, and he's on the edge. Flop. Flop. Oh, cheep. Flop. Ooh. He fell. Chirrup. Oh. Oh, the poor guy. Oh, he was doing a brave thing. And he fell. Oh, gosh. How do you think he's going to handle it? Do you think he's going to be okay? He's just going to get back up and try again? Or do you think he's going to cry? I don't know. This is the squirrel. Oh, now we've got a squirrel. See, look, we got a squirrel here. This is the squirrel who sniffed at the bird that fell. When he's talking, he says, cheep. Oh, squirrel's leaving. Oh, what a situation this birdie is in. This is the bee that buzzed around the bird that fell. Buzz. Oh, goodness. So this bee is buzzing. And now the bird is running. Oh, he's running. Oh, he's getting out of there. That's a big bee. Look at that. Look at that bee. He's so big, he's barely fitting into that flower. It's a big bumblebee. I don't think he's interested in the bird, though. This is the frog. Oh, now we got a frog. This is a frog that hopped over the bird, chirp, that fell. Oh, that frog is playing. Look, he's flipping around. He's zooming through the air. Well, the bird seems kind of interested, a little alarmed. I don't know. If I had a giant frog jumping all around me, that would certainly get my attention. How about you? This is the cat. This is the cat. Oh, it's a bird. It's a baby bird. He's out and there's a cat. This is the cat that stalked the bird. Oh, chirp. Oh, no. What's going to happen to our baby bird? Oh. And fell himself. Meow. Oh. The kitty cat got his head in a bucket, but at least he didn't get our birdie, which was just as well. Oh, good. So now he's walking again. He's got all these beautiful flowers. No kitty cat to bother him. What's he stepping on? This is the dog that opened wide. Yawn. And a bird that nearly walked inside. Oh, he's a big dog. This bird was so distracted, he almost walked right into this doggy's mouth. Well, that would not have been good for our bird friend. Nope, nope, nope. Cheep. A baby bird that wanted to fly up, up above in the sky. So he's walking across this doggy's nose. That doggy does not seem to appreciate this. And now he's climbing up to that tree. He says, cheep. And thought he would have, Oh, just one more try. And down he goes. Oh, birdie, birdie. Just one more try. Flap. 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 Oh, look, he's going over all of these things that he met. Flap, flap, flap. Oh, look at that. Up and down, up and down. There goes his wings. Ooh. Is he flying? Does it look like he's flying? It looks like he's flying. This is the bird that flew. Chirp, chirp, cheep. Yeah. Oh, he's so proud of himself. Look at that. He's so proud of himself. He did it. He's flying. He did it. Instead of crying, he got back up and he tried again. That's a smart bird. And away he went, round and round. Yay! Good for you, little bird. That's a lot of details in this book, but not a lot of words. Let's go ahead and read the words on the bottom all together. What do you think? Baby bird. This is the bird that climbed out of the nest, and flop, 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 he fell. This is the squirrel that sniffed at the bird that fell. This is the bee that buzzed around the bird that fell. This is the frog that hopped over the bird that fell. This is the cat that stalked the bird and fell himself, which was just as well. This is the dog that opened wide and a bird that nearly walked inside. A baby bird that wanted to fly up, up above in the sky, and thought he would have just one more try. Flap, 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 flap. This is the bird that flew. The end. What a sweet little story. Sometimes it can be hard to learn a new thing, and you can get really frustrated when you try. Sometimes you might think, well, I'm not strong enough, or I'm too little, or maybe I'm just not good enough. They know how to do it, but I don't. Someone else has to do it for me. Learning new things means that you have to try, and you might not get it right away. Your muscles might not be strong enough now, but they'll get there if you keep practicing. Keep trying. Learn new things. You're getting bigger every day, so you might as well keep trying. You'll get there. I promise. You've got people around you who are willing to help you and get you to where you need to be. Just like this baby bird. He got where he needed to be because he tried. That's all that we have for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and reading this story with me. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.